Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to use Creati Bot for text-to-speech and sound alerts. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been using Creati Bot for quite a few months now and I've really loved it. It's changed over the last time that I've seen a YouTube video before, so I thought I would create a video that basically dedicates the whole process and the step-by-step process of how to set up a channel point redemption on Twitch to actually using Creati Bot to create that sound alert or that text-to-speech thing. It's really good. I have found no real faults with it. I've had a really good experience with it and it's great for creating lots of different sort of commands. Keep on watching to find out how you can use it for text-to-speech and also sound alerts. So first of all, you're going to want to go to your creator dashboard on Twitch. You want to go all the way down to viewer rewards on the left hand side. Then you will want to click on channel points and then manage rewards and challenges, and then scroll all the way down because I have a lot of channel point redemptions, but that's fine. Then you want to click on add new custom reward, and then we're going to give this an Animal Crossing title because it's just my example basically for you guys. I'm not going to give it a description. I'm going to give it an amount of about 100, and then you're going to, if you've set up channel point redemptions before, you know that you need icons for it. So I've just got some examples to use. I've just got this public works project, a picture of Isabel that I've used for a different channel point redemption, but it's fine for sort of educational purposes. I will reutilize them. Fine with the blue background, I'm happy with that. And then you want to click on create. So now it's created the channel point. If I scroll back up, it just said come up as Animal Crossing. This is the one that I want. So now you want to go to Creati Bot, which I've mentioned is linked in the description, so you can go and easily click on that link. When you meet and you're greeted at the website, you'll be asked to log in. If you've not set up Creati Bot before, make sure that you assign it, allow it to connect up to your Twitch account. So make sure you do that. And once you've assigned that up, then come back to this video. And then you'll be met with a different button. So it will change from the homepage and it will just say, go to dashboard. You want to go to dashboard. Then you want to click on library. And then here is a bunch of media that you can browse. You can see what my limit is at the moment at the top. Here is videos and sound limits. It's about 15. So I've got a couple. I've only got 2. I use the old site. So I do actually have more uploaded, but purely it's just obviously uploaded to a different server and it's run differently now. So you can search for sound alerts and stuff like that if you want to, but what I would recommend, because most of you are probably going to have your own sound alert that you really want to upload, is you want to go to create media. So I'm going to call this Animal Crossing. I'm going to say that it's a tag for funny. You can either choose to have this as a public sound. You don't have to if you don't feel comfortable other people using this. So I'm going to keep it public though. So I'm going to upload just a KK Slider song, which is just my example sound. So I'm going to drag that over here into the little bar. Make sure that you've clicked on the button for agreeing to the library guidelines, upload and create media. And then you won't see anything obviously in this front page, but if you click on your uploads, you'll now see that amongst my other sound alerts is the Animal Crossing one, which is public. So I will then click on add to channel point reward. I'm going to have to scroll and find, because there's a lot of channel point rewards that I have, but go and scroll all the way down, or all the way up, depends on where it is. I think this might be right at the bottom because it's something that I just created. So if I'm rightly so, there we go, right at the end, and it says there's no features found, so you want to be able to click on that, and then you want to click on next page, and then you can choose to either have a single sound, it's personal, it's random, it's multiple sounds, but for me it's a single sound, so I've already selected that it's just once. So you then want to click on add media, and then successfully added. As you can see, and at the bottom as well, settings have changed, pop-up comes up. So we're going to close this, and then I'm going to go and click on rewards, and then I'm going to go and just double check that it's all there and it's all present and correct, and then it's fine and it's been assigned. Yep. So as we can see here at the bottom, Animal Crossing feature sound alert is single. So that's how it works. And then I'm going to now show you an example of it actually working on the stream. So for example purposes, I've just pulled up my chat on Streamlabs. So if I go down to the channel point icons, which I've just called the meow coupons, and it's the Animal Crossing sound alert that I want to test and try and see whether or not it works. So I'm going to play that, redeem. And there you go. It works perfectly. I'm rather happy with that. And that is how you create a sound alert with Creati Bot. So when it comes to creating a text-to-speech alert, it's pretty much the same process that you'll follow on Twitch when you did create a sound alert. So I will advise you that you go back into the video and basically just follow the same steps that I created when you need to create a channel point redemption. So make sure you've created one and then come back to this video when you have finished that. So we're going to go back from the main homepage. So you want to click on go to dashboard, and then this time you want to click on rewards, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom because it will show you the latest ones right at the bottom of the page. And then you can see there is a function for add features. Click on that. And it says select a feature to add. Click on that and choose the first option, which is text to speech. Add feature, and you can choose which type of voice that you would like. So you can click on here and it will give you a bunch of options. Now I'm going to put my headphones on so that I can actually listen to the options. I think I'm going to go for the Welsh sounding bloke. So Geraint.
Wow, that is super pog champion, IsaiahCreati.com.
So you can basically go through the whole process and select what you like. Anything in gold is part of the Creati Plus, so you have to subscribe to that. If you don't want to subscribe, just use the ones that aren't in gold. So what you want to go and do is then go back. And then if I want Geraint, I have to, type that out there. You can choose the character limit. So if you want a certain amount on it, or like you want to only have like 450 words, you can do so. You can choose the volume as well. If you don't want it to be too loud, or you like to have your sound really low, then you can choose to do that with this little bar here. I'm going to keep it at 50 because I'm fine with that. And then you want to go back. If you go back on the screen, you will see now that it has a feature for TTS, so text to speech. And that's literally how you create a text to speech alert with Creati Bots. So I hope you found that video really useful. I know that I have been struggling since it's kind of like changed and stuff like that, how to do things properly on this site. There are some FAQs on the website, so do have a look at those, but I might turn some of those things into videos just because when I started using it again, when it changed from the old website to the new one, some things changed and I got confused about stuff. So I might create some videos on how to sort of fix problems on the site. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I'm creating tutorials on Twitch stuff and also Animal Crossing content as well. Also, don't forget to check me out on Twitch. I go live over there and play Animal Crossing games, so check me out. Everything is always linked in the description, so come over and just say hello. But yeah, I guess all I've got to say is a happy sayonara.